In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay on your IKEA credit card in 26 step by step. To begin, open your web browser and go to the official online account portal for your IKEA credit card issuer. Make sure you're using the correct website so your payment is made securely and to the right account. Once you're on the portal, click log in and enter your username and password to access your account. After signing in, you'll be taken to your account dashboard. This is where you can view your card details, recent activity, and billing information. From here, look for the payment section. Depending on the layout of the site, this may be labeled Make a Payment Pay Bill or simply Payments. Any of these options should take you to the area where you can submit a payment on your card. Next, choose the payment method you want to use. In most cases, you'll be able to pay using a linked bank account, an online banking bill payment option, or another available payment method provided by the card issuer. Pick the option that works best for you. If you've already saved a bank account, it may appear automatically. If not, you may need to select or connect one before continuing. Once your payment method is selected, enter your payment details carefully. Choose the account you want the funds to come from, type in the payment amount, and then select the payment date. Before moving on, take a moment to review everything. This is important because even a small mistake in the amount or date could affect when your payment is processed. When everything looks correct, click Submit Payment or Confirm Payment. After that, wait for the payment confirmation to appear on screen. This confirms that your request has been accepted. Be sure to save the confirmation number for your records in case you need to reference the transaction later. After submitting the payment, it's a good idea to verify that everything went through properly. Check your account activity and look at your payment history to confirm that the payment appears there. You should also keep an eye on your balance as the payment processes, since it may take some time to fully update depending on the payment method you used. If you want to make future payments easier, you can also set up autopay. Open the autopay section and choose your preference, whether that's the minimum payment due, the full statement balance, or a fixed amount. Then add your bank account details and confirm automatic payments.